Hey folks, this is that time of year when you start to notice when you walk outdoors, no, it's not the orange blossoms. That was a month ago. This is the smoke that's coming up from the southeast. This stuff coming from fires that are burning down in Central America and southern Mexico. And if you look closely at this picture, you can kind of see the edge of that line of smoke that's kind of filtering up across the southwest Gulf of Mexico and into South Texas. Fires are way down here, and there's literally dozens and dozens and dozens of them. Smoke rises, heads off to the northwest, and then makes its way, because of the wind flow, comes right up into the valley. Now, if you're up in an airplane, this is what it looks like. Alan Shoemaker took this picture the last time we had the smoke here, and again, you're looking down, it's hard to even see the earth down there, but way down here, there's the ground, here's the smoke, and then above it, skies are relatively clear, so it's all being trapped by an inversion that kind of locks everything into the lower part of the atmosphere, and you just don't have much chance of that stuff breaking until we get a wind shift or get something to change. And right now, we don't see much changing. Here's your latest air quality, and you can see that it's still considered unhealthy for some, or unhealthy for sensitive groups. That's people with heart-lung diseases or any other kind of issues like that. You can see older adults and children should limit outdoor activities. It actually went to unhealthy for all yesterday for a time. Forecast for the next couple of days keeps it in the moderate category after today for at least Wednesday and Thursday. So that's a little bit better, but still, not anywhere near perfect. So you'll notice it when you look off onto the horizon. You'll notice that the visibility is down just a little bit. Let's look at how things are working. We've got fronts up to the north. The old stationary front, that's gone now. So the smoke continues to pour up from the south, and it's not going to change a lot in the next few days. Here we go to tomorrow. Front moves into Texas, but we're still breezy, hot, and humid. That south to southeasterly wind really continued to pull that smoke up from Central America and southern Mexico. Let's go another day. Here's Thursday. This front's in the neighborhood early Thursday and will trigger thunderstorms probably north of the valley pre-dawn. Something could sneak in here. 10 to 20% chance of something sneaking in early on Thursday, but by afternoon, it's just hot and humid once again. The smoke's still rolling in because there's nothing to wash it out. Get into Friday, no real change, yet another scorcher. Finally, Saturday, this front pushes into South Texas. That could finally push the smoke out of here for the weekend, so we'll kind of keep our fingers crossed that we can push that stuff out of here. About a 20% chance for a shower or thunderstorm pre-dawn on Thursday. Brief chance of that next front on Saturday, then another front on Tuesday gives us a slight chance. If you look at temperatures, the normal high is 88. Going to be above that every day. Nighttime low, the average low 67, with the exception of Sunday, will be above that for the forecast period as well. So for tonight, it looks like this: 76, mostly cloudy, warm and humid. And then tomorrow, here we go, right back up to 95. Some early clouds, then it's breezy and hot. Southeast winds 15 to 25. And yes, air quality stays in that medium range. Here you go. Windy and hot tomorrow. Possible early morning thunderstorm on Thursday. We're talking pre-dawn. Sunny and hot on Friday, back to 100 again. And then we're a little bit cooler for the weekend. Probably clearer air, though, for the weekend. Next week, back up into the low 90s once again. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.